Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using Keyworddit to research for keywords. Let's get started. Using tools is important when you are promoting your website content on different social media platforms, especially on Reddit. This can help you improve your marketing promotions. If you're a brand or a company that needs to track a list of keywords and apply it to your marketing strategy, you will need the help of some available Reddit tools online. Keyword research is an important step for your website's SEO success. The keywords that you will try to use for your SEO will allow your site to rank high on search engines. You need to determine what keywords are people searching for that are relevant to your brand or your business. There are tons of keyword research tools available for Reddit. For starters, you can use a simple keyword tool where its purpose is intended and focused on giving you well-researched keywords commonly used by your target audiences. Let's take a look at a tool called Keyworddit. You can go to this URL or search it on Google to view and use the tool online. At a glance, you'll notice that this tool is easy to use and it is straightforward. The purpose of this tool is to give you keyword searches related to the keywords that you've typed in. If you need to know what the results mean, you can read about them in this section. In this text box, you can type in the name of the subreddit that you want to research on. You may notice that when you type in a keyword here, it will show you other subreddit communities that have the keywords that match what you have typed in this text box. Then click on the Get Keywords button. In the search results, you can view tons of keywords that match the keywords that you have typed in. In this example, we're looking for keywords that match the keyword coffee. You can see the monthly search volume for the United States here. The results are arranged from the highest to the lowest search volume. So the first keyword result that you can see here has the highest number of search volume. Then you can also see the context as a link here. When you click the context link, you will be redirected to the Google website, showing you a custom search that you can see in this text box. This search is from the website reddit.com/r/coffee, which is the keyword that we have typed in, and the quote-unquote sign with the keyword French press coffee inside them, and that is the first keyword result. In this context, you'll be able to view results on Google for the matches of French press coffee here. You may notice that all the search results that are shown here are only from reddit.com. Keyworddit is useful if you want to use long-tail keywords. It is a great tool that can help you extract the keywords that you are looking for from the subreddit communities. This tool extracts about 500 keywords that you can check out. And Keyworddit is a great keyword research tool if you know a little about the niche that you're trying to research. An example is when you are trying to create content or a blog about a different topic that is not your expertise. In short, it could be a different niche. If you know little about the niche keto, you can try and search for that keyword in Keyworddit's text box. Then take note of the top 10 keyword searches that you will see in the search results. Save it in one of your notepad or Excel spreadsheet. The results will help you interpret the most common keywords that your target audiences are looking for under that top 10 search results. Now that you know about using Keyworddit to research for keywords, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Conclusion. I'll see you there.